Adam Chin, and I am here to present you my Game Gala project. My idea. I chose to make a game about guessing countries because I like geography. This game was inspired by the Globe game on Google Chrome, and I came up with the idea to create my own version of the game using Python. I learned a couple things and I used them throughout this project. The things include dictionaries and PyGame. Let's start with dictionaries. Dictionaries are like lists, but instead they have keys and they also have values assigned to the keys. So I used it to make the countries and to assign the coordinates to them. So you can see it right here. Next is PyGame. I have used regular Python before, but this is my first time with PyGame. Basically, it opens up a little screen where you can be free to add images or anything you want. So I made a little version of the map of the world right here. And here is how I did it. Now, demo time. Let me show you how it works. So first of all, we're gonna run it. So here's the map. This can help you when you're guessing your country because you can see all of the borders and things, which may be helpful. And the first step is just for you to guess. So just think of a random country. Let's just do maybe India. And it says mild. This means that it's semi-close to the right country. And this number right here tells you how much coordinate units it is away from the right country. So now you can guess again. So let's just say Japan. That's cold. So it's pretty far from Japan. So maybe it's in somewhere like Europe or Africa. So let's just guess Egypt. And that's warm, so it's pretty close to Egypt. So now you just guess more countries and more to find out what it is. When you found out the final answer, which you might do, it's gonna say congrats, you did it, or something like that. So what do you think? What do you think is the country? So yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna try out a bunch of different countries. So just play around a bit, and remember, you can always look back to the map. So that's pretty much the demo. Thank you for listening.